विनय, क्या तुम रेडी हो झूले में जाने के लिए? चलो
Yes.
अपने दोस्तों को दिखा दीजिए कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं। आओ थोड़ा आगे और दिखा देते हैं सब लोगों को। तो आज हम ऑलमोस्ट बोट से खेलने वाला काम कर रहे हैं। आओ आपको दिखाते हैं। हेलो guys, welcome back. So we will start from somewhere on this dangerous stuff, and then maybe the second will be the other one, which is rounding on 360-degree as well, and then third one would be the screen with the screen, that roller coaster. I don't know what is named in English, but yeah, and the last one would be with the rope, where they'll stitch you and they'll throw you like a
everyone. We
stone.
got the third winner for today. Thank you everyone for the